What is up, guys? Welcome back to Wolfwagon Adventures. We are heading up north to Flagstaff. There's probably not a lot to see on this drive, so I'll probably just catch you guys when we get to Flagstaff.
Your destination is on the right.
Howdy. How's it going?
Did you bring a gun with you?
What?
Did you bring a gun?
No.
Alright, so I'm the only one who has one. There's a mountain lion around here somewhere.
Are you sure?
We found all the bones and stuff up here. You can see where it was trying to dig, and there's an elk skin right over here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So we're right in his area. Fun stuff. I should have brought my 9. Get that food going.
But what you could do is this. That sounds good.
Can you tell it's snowing? Well, it's April 27th in Arizona, and we are getting snow. Very unusual for us, but enjoyable. Us Arizonans like to get away and see snow any chance we get.
Such a short time being alive. All this hardship and convenience makes it so hard to make sense. I want this now. I want this now. And I know it's just a matter of time before we tumble across the borderline. We can't go forward and we can't rewind. I want this now. I want this now. Just close your eyes. I can't believe we've been through this for so long. Pressure is on. You better step up. Probably stop writing the stupid songs. Just close your eyes and you'll be fine. Such a short time being alive. All this hardship and convenience.
On our way home from Flagstaff, and we decided to take a detour. We've been to the Montezuma Castle before, but we're going to the Montezuma Well, which is not somewhere I've been before. Add it. You see L. Wolfwagen. Let's go. Come on.